Welcome back to Sweet Magnoliaa, your go-to place for warm, beautifully curated spaces. Some homes feel instantly warm and inviting. There's a softness to them. A quiet sense of ease that makes you want to slow down and stay a little longer. The light feels gentle. The textures feel lived in. Everything works together in a way that feels calm and effortless. It's not about having more. And it's not about perfect styling. It's something more subtle than that. It's the way a space makes you feel. And the good news is, this kind of warmth is something you can create. With a few simple shifts, your home can feel softer, cozier, and beautifully relaxed. One, bring warmth into your color. A lot of homes lean too heavily into brightness. Clean whites. Sharp contrasts. Very crisp finishes. And while that can look nice, it can also remove warmth. It creates a space that feels slightly distant, instead of something that draws you in. What works better is softer, warmer tones. Not bold color. Not dramatic statements. Just tones with a little depth. Warm browns. Muted ochres. Soft clay. Grounded neutrals. These colors don't brighten the room. They settle it. They remove tension. They make everything feel more connected. 2. Layer texture, not clutter. When a space feels cold, the instinct is often to add more. But that usually makes it feel busier, not better. What actually changes the feeling is texture. A woven rug underfoot. A soft throw over a chair. Wood that shows its grain. Linen. Wool. Natural materials that feel real. Each layer adds depth. And that depth is what creates richness. Not more things, just better layers. Three, choose materials that soften the space. Cold spaces are often too polished, and that perfection can feel distant. Warm spaces are different. They absorb light instead of reflecting it harshly. Matte walls. Brushed metals. Soft ceramics. Worn wood. Materials that feel lived in. Not showroom perfect. And that's what creates comfort. Because ease always reads as confidence. Four, change how light sits in the room. Lighting is one of the biggest differences. Cold spaces are often too bright, too exposed, too evenly lit. Everything is visible, but nothing feels atmospheric. Warm spaces hold light differently. A lamp in the corner. A soft glow beside a chair. Light that gathers instead of flooding. Shadows that add depth, instead of flattening everything out. And suddenly, the room shifts. It doesn't just look better. It feels better. 5. Create space, not more styling. This is where most people get it wrong. Trying to fix a cold space by adding more. But warmth doesn't come from quantity. It comes from intention. A table with space around it. A chair that isn't crowded. A corner that can breathe. Negative space allows everything else to matter more. And when there's space, you start to notice connection. Repeated tones. Materials that echo each other. Details that quietly belong together. Nothing feels random. Everything feels placed. And that's when the space changes. It becomes softer. More grounded. More inviting. So if your home feels a little cold, don't add more. Shift the feeling. Bring in warmth. Layer texture. Soften the light. Let the space breathe. And watch how quickly everything begins to change. Thank you for spending this quiet moment on sweet Magnoliaa. Until next time, may your home feel warm, peaceful, and beautifully your own.